The question on every coder's mind, will AI take my job in 2025? For years, this was a distant sci-fi worry. Now with tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT writing code in seconds, it feels real. The anxiety is everywhere, from tech offices to coding boot camps. Company leaders want AI for efficiency. Junior devs wonder if they'll ever get to build real skills. We've seen AI generate entire apps and debug complex problems in moments. Headlines scream about replacement, but the truth is more nuanced. Every tech leap, from compilers to open source, shifted what programmers do, not whether they're needed. AI coding assistants are just the next evolution, not the end. Programming is still about problem solving, a deeply human skill. The real question isn't if coders will be replaced, but how their roles will change. As code writing becomes automated, our value shifts to higher level thinking. We're moving from code typists to system architects and creative problem solvers. The challenge isn't to outcode the machine, but to collaborate with it. This is the new reality for coders in 2025. To see the future, look at the tools shaping it, like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT. These aren't just autocomplete. They're trained on vast codebases and can suggest entire functions instantly. It's like having a senior dev on call, ready to help. AI now handles repetitive tasks, boilerplate, configs, freeing developers to focus on real challenges. Need to parse a CSV? Describe it, and Copilot writes the function in seconds. ChatGPT helps debug, explains errors, and acts as an on-demand tutor. For juniors, this flattens the learning curve and speeds up progress. But using AI well is a new skill. You must write clear prompts and guide the tool. The better your input, the better the AI's output. Developers are now directors, not just creators. It's a collaborative dance. You set the intent, AI fills in the details. Coding is becoming more about communication and strategy. The keyboard remains, but what we type, and how we think, has changed. This is the new rhythm of software development. AI coding assistants are powerful but far from perfect. They're pattern matchers, not true problem solvers, and can generate code with subtle bugs or security flaws. AI might solve the common case but miss critical edge cases. Over-reliance is risky. Junior devs may accept flawed code without review. The result? Bugs in production, or worse, security vulnerabilities. AI doesn't understand best practices unless explicitly trained, and even then, it can get it wrong. The human remains the final line of defense. AI struggles with big-picture tasks, designing architectures, making strategic decisions, or understanding business context. It can't see the whole forest, just the trees. The most valuable work happens before code is written: planning, design, and creative problem-solving. AI accelerates the how, but only humans can answer the why. For now, the human mind is irreplaceable in software's most critical moments. Despite the hype, programming jobs aren't vanishing, they're evolving. Demand for skilled developers is still rising, driven by digital transformation everywhere. What's changing is the nature of the job. Companies want engineers who think critically, collaborate, and use AI to boost productivity. The baseline for productivity is higher. AI-literate devs are more valuable. Entry-level rote coding roles may shrink, but opportunities for well-rounded AI-savvy engineers are growing. We're seeing a skills gap. Companies want people who can use Copilot, debug with ChatGPT, and solve problems AI can't. This is role augmentation, not replacement. Like calculators for mathematicians, AI frees programmers for higher value work. Skills like architecture, project management, and product strategy are in demand. The most resilient coders are those who adapt and keep learning. Think of AI as your coding partner, not your replacement. AI brings speed and pattern recognition. Humans bring judgment, context, and creativity. The AI is like a super-fast junior dev, helpful but needing oversight. Humans make the big decisions: architecture, trade-offs, and quality. It's like a pilot in autopilot. AI handles routine tasks, but humans navigate the unexpected. The programmer's value is in guiding, verifying, and improving AI's work. Creativity and problem-solving remain human domains. The future isn't fewer programmers, it's programmers amplified by AI. We'll spend less time on boilerplate, more on what matters, building great systems and solving real problems. The definition of a great programmer is changing fast. Knowing a language isn't enough. You need advanced problem-solving and system design skills. AI handles the syntax. Humans design robust, scalable solutions. Big picture thinking and architecture are more valuable than ever. Mastering AI tools is now essential. Prompt engineering, reviewing AI code, and knowing when to trust or tweak it. Productivity soars for those who use AI well. Soft skills, communication, collaboration, product thinking are crucial. Programmers must translate business needs into technical solutions and work well in teams. The best engineers are well-rounded, combining technical and interpersonal strengths. In the AI era, adaptability and continuous learning are your superpowers. AI is changing not just how we code, but how we're hired. The old whiteboard algorithm test is fading. Companies want real-world skills. System design questions and practical assignments are now the norm. Interviews test how you use AI tools. Can you leverage Copilot, debug with ChatGPT, and work efficiently? It's about your process, not just your product. Critical thinking and judgment are key. Can you spot flaws in AI-generated code? The best candidates act as human overseers, refining and improving what AI produces. Modern interviews reward those who collaborate with AI, not those who ignore it. In 2025, your value is in what you do with AI, not without it. The future isn't humans versus AI, it's humans and AI together. This centaur intelligence combines machine speed with human creativity. Prototyping that once took weeks now takes hours with AI's help. Developers direct, refine, and add creative touches to AI-generated code. AI democratizes software. Entrepreneurs and scientists can build tools without deep coding skills. The human brings vision. AI brings implementation. This lowers barriers and fuels innovation across industries. Developers spend less time on grunt work, more on design and problem solving. Programming becomes more creative, fulfilling, and impactful. Technology's real power is in amplifying human imagination. So, will AI replace programmers by 2025? Absolutely not. The role is transforming, not disappearing. AI makes adaptable, skilled programmers more valuable than ever. The work is shifting from typing code to designing systems and solving complex problems. Those who thrive will embrace AI as a partner, not a threat. Master prompting, review AI output critically, and focus on high-level decisions. For new coders, don't just learn syntax. Build problem-solving and system-thinking skills. Use AI tools daily, learn their strengths and weaknesses, and become a true collaborator. The future is programmers amplified by AI, not replaced. Human creativity, intuition, and adaptability are irreplaceable. The pace of change is fast, but for those who evolve, opportunity abounds. Your job isn't gone, it's been upgraded. The future belongs to those who build with AI, not against it.